My next technology is called Great Big Story. This is a website to find news articles that are positive in nature and spread good news around the world. So I thought this would be a really good website for older students and like current events, social studies, or just a good website to learn about good writing and to discuss. So they have videos, they have series, they have all kinds of topics, they have playlists, challenges. So I thought this one was really good, Around the World series. And you can tell by the titles that it's just a positive website. Love Around the World, what love looks like, and describes different cultures, so it's also good for classes that are learning about different cultures around the world. And up here they have topics, so the brave, and you can click on the pictures to read or see videos about what they're doing, the Brave Planet. And then you can see all the people who have contributed and watch videos on them as well. Their series button. So, for example, Mission Wild series is a series about wildlife. So this would be great for science class. Playlists, there's just different topics that you can search by, celebrating women's history, and expensive, good for economics, things like that. Channels are topics as well, so you can find a topic that pertains to your class or current discussion. And then guides are little how-tos or advice articles. And so I thought this would be a really great website to base discussions off of. This could be homework using technology when they go home, and then they're ready to discuss when they come to class. So why I chose this resource: it's a tool for teachers to find current events, provides positive stories in a world full of negatives. It's great for high school classrooms based around discussion, and provides videos as well as reading, and applies to many content areas. My purpose was to introduce teachers to a great resource to enhance their lessons online or face-to-face. And then my standards were to model digital citizenship by critically evaluating online resources, engaging in civil discourse online, and using digital tools to contribute to positive social change. So I thought this website was a really good one to exemplify positive citizenship and positive discussions around. And then support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning, cultural, and social emotional needs of the students. So this website includes all students of all backgrounds.